Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala nabiyyina Muhammad. What should we say when there's a fierce windstorm? We say, Allahumma inni as'aluka khairiha wa a'udhu bika min sharriha. We supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of the heavens and earth, the controller of the winds, Azza wa Jal. And we beg him and we implore him. And this is a kalimat tawheed, or this is from tawheed, the worship of Allah alone. And we say, Oh Allah, please bless us with the good of it. And we seek refuge in you from the evil of it, meaning the good of the elements of the wind. And we seek refuge in Allah from the negative or the bad of the elements of the wind, the destructiveness and the harm that can come to property and life. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the Almighty to accept our good and forgive our evil.